Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a smooth, slow zoom to any video clip in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump right in. First, move your timeline slider to where you want the zoom to start. Click on the video clip to select it. Then, in the top right corner, click on Inspector. Look for the zoom option. Then click the Keyframe button next to zoom. Open the keyframe editor by clicking the small icon in the timeline. Then move ahead a few seconds in the timeline. Increase the zoom value in the inspector. This will create another keyframe, automatically generating a slow zoom effect. Then, play back the video to see your smooth slow zoom in action. Adjust the keyframe if needed for the perfect effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a slow zoom in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.